Okay, so as you can see guys, we are done with the last topic yesterday, that was here customer name creation and FK0 vendor name creation. Okay, two things we are done here. Today I will start the next topic, that is we have how to configure the tax on sales and purchases in SAP. So what I will do here what I will do, I will show you simple tax input and output tax how to create input tax and output tax. I'll show you this how to create today. Then at last I'll show you how to implement a GST in SAP. This I'll show you at the end. Now what I'll show you how to configure simple input tax and output tax in SAP. Okay, tax on sales and purchase configuration, FS00 line item creation we should do first of all. So I'll create here one input tax for the vendor and output tax for customer. So these are the two things I will do now. I'll start with the SAP login. So here is my all the details are available. My company code, fiscal year, everything is there here. So I'll create now input tax and output tax. So I'll minimize this, log on SAP. Then here go here and we'll log in with our system. Okay, we'll go for SPRO configuration. As a preference IMG, you should go for financial accounting for that. Then you should go for financial accounting global setting, tax on sales and purchases basic setting. First of all, before creating the tax here, define tax codes, you should always go to basic setting and check their assigned country to calculation procedure. You should go here and you should change the tax country to country India. Okay, country India. So you can see here there is someone has linked their name. This is wrong. You should use tax SG here. Okay, tax SG is a standard code which you will be creating the tax configuration. Okay, you should always link this and save. Now you can go and you can create your taxes. Here, country India will be tax SG configuration. I will be creating the input and output tax under this configuration. Now what you can do, you can go to calculation, define tax code for sales and purchases. Okay, click on the define tax code. So what I will do now, I will create here two tax codes. One is for input, another is for output. Alright, for that what I will do, I will go to the SAP screen, click on define tax code for sales and purchases, click on this, then give country key as a IN India, enter your 2-digit new tax code. You should give your new tax code 2-digit. It can be anything, you can give whatever you want. So let me take T5, I'll take. Okay, because my company code is TCS0, I'll take T5, enter. So see, T5 is already available, so you should give here like this. Input tax for company code. What is my company code? TCS0. T5, input and TCS0. What is tax type? Tax type will be here. V for input, A for output. There are two codes are available. So I take here V for input. I am creating input. Then I will click on continue here. And it will ask me output tax account key MWS. It's account key given by software account keys. This also we can maintain. I will show you at the time of GST implementation. So what I will do now, input tax VST I'll give here 18%. Okay, I'm creating input tax. So input tax I'll get as a 18%. Then I will save this. Okay, tax code T5 was created. So I'll write down that here. Same way I should create 5T as an input. I'll take opposite, output I'll take. Then here tax type comes here, just link as A as output. Exactly. Then click on continue. Here comes the output tax as a MWS key, here as a 18%. Then save this. Tax code 5T was created, so I'll link here 5T. So my both tax codes are created now. So once the tax code is created, once it is done, you should take back, you should go for assign company code to document date for tax determination. You should assign that. Whatever tax configuration you are doing, you should assign that to the company code. So click on assign company code document date for tax determination, click on this. Then click on position and find your company code. What is the company code? TCS0. And then use the company code over here and you can click on continue. And here you can just take this tax code, take this and save it. So it will show you the data was saved here. So we are done with the task code, defining the task code. Two task codes are created, we assigned them. Once this configuration is completed, we should come back, you should go for posting. Go to posting and define tax accounts, you should go here. So what I do here, just concentrate what I will do here. Click on define tax account and you should find here the MWS key, account key. As I told you, what is MWS? MWS, which is called as output tax. Here I showed you as a MWS, which is called as output tax account key. This account key I should find here. Here it is. MWS is a output tax here. So you should find MWS. You should double click on this. Double click on this. Then it will ask you the charts of accounts. You should give charts of accounts here now. What is your charts of account? You should give charts of account. My charts of account is TSSC. Copy this. Give here the charts of account. And click on continue. So we are linking that code to this charts of account level and continue. Then it will come here like this. Then what you should do, accounts are determined based on tax code. Take this. Okay, take this. Then click on posting key here. Take this, click on posting key, save yes. Alright, save yes, you should do it. Now here you should give the tax code. What is my, which I am doing, linking output. What is my output tax code? 5T. Tax code 5T to the GL account output tax. The GL account. Company code. What is my GL account output tax? It is 105. That I should link here. 105. Are you guys getting it? Everyone clear? Yes, Aman, Gaurav and Rupali. Are you guys getting it?
Yes.
Okay, then we need to save this. Output to output tax, save it and enter it. Same way we should do for the input also. What is the account key for input? It is for account key for input it is country
Sir,
key India. Yeah, tell me.
hello.
Yeah, tell me. Hello.
Can we use multiple GL codes against one text code?
Yeah, you can use it. You can use multiple GLs for one tax code. There is no problem in that because options are available there.
So
Yeah,
for
see,
that we have to map each and every text code with a single GL code.
exactly.
Can't
We
we
need to
provide
map
any kind of GL kind of range?
see here what I showed you just now. At a defined task code level, what I'm doing here. Next, I'm doing a VST. I'll just show you here. Okay, so VST will find it here. VST, what we have, it is called as input tax. Double click and PSSC. Take this posting key, save yes. See here we can give the different task code and different multiple GL accounts. You can assign that. The option is available, Gaurav. We can create the multiple task codes and you can assign and it will come within this charts of account. Are you getting it? See, whatever you are mapping, you can map that within this charts of account level because this is a charts of account level. The task code which I am creating, it is a charts of account level. You getting it, Gaurav? Hello, I'm audible to you, Gaurav. Hello, hello. Aman and Rupal, I'm audible to you. Gaurav, I'm audible to you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir. You're on.
yeah. I think he's not audible. So what I'll do, guys, I'll link the input tags also now. We can assign multiple accounts here to multiple because this is a charts of account level and you can assign that multiple. You can do mapping of multiple also. So what I will do here now, I will use here my as a T5 input. Input is T5 to the input. Here we have input tags. Save this. Enter. It will show you the changes have been made. So this is the linking configuration we already done. We got to do the linking also like this it will be available. So once you are done with this configuration, you need to what you got to do after this. My task code is already ready. Now what I should do, the linking task category in FS00. What I should do is next one. This all ledgers, purchases, sales, input tax and output tax. I need to allow them for the posting purpose. So for that what I will do, I'll go for FS00. Go to FS00, enter FS00 and open this all here. And here what you should do, right click on purchases and click on a change here. Go to control data, task category you can see here. Just allow them here. Allow means if you put a star here, all types of tags are allowed. If you put star here, okay, just put a star over here. So all tags will be allowed for that category. Save. Purchase is done. After purchase is done, next we have a sales. Sales will go here. Star. Say purchases, sales. We have input tax also. Save. And you can put here output tax as well. That's it. Until here we are done with our task configuration. All. Ledgers we already get a starting, so I didn't do this step because already I have the FS00 ledgers already available. So I didn't create them again and again. So I am done with my task configuration full, starting from FS00 to input task to the all configuration. So until here you got to practice it for your companies. Then I will tell you the customer invoice. Tomorrow I'll start this. This is a very big chapter as a FP70, FPL5 and F20. We'll do this transaction entries. Fine guys, everyone understood? Is it clear? How about Aman? How about Gaurav and Rupali?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, clear. How about you, Aman and Gaurav?
Hello.
Yeah,
Clear, sir.
clear it.
I
Everything
want to
is
know.
clear. Yeah, hello. Yes, tell me. Any confusion, Aman?
Yes, sir. I wanted to ask, sir, if I have created the posting period variant, how
Yeah,
can
yeah.
we check? How can we check that? I mean,